Hey you guys, welcome back to Vegan with Soul. Thank you for joining us today. My mom's going to be making vegan mini curry pot pies full of delicious vegetables. I'm sure they're going to be wonderful. Her cooking always is. I get very excited when I know she's making something. So thank you here again for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys.
I've been in Colombia for 10 days. I got back yesterday and I woke up to snow. And when snow hits, like I want something warm and I just want to be cozy. So I took a lot of veggies, chopped them up, threw them in the pot. So I'm making some veggie curry, but I'm doing something different with it. Never done it before, so we're going to find out together just how it's going to turn out. I just want to say thank you for all my subscribers and my viewers. Now let's get cooking, guys.
So here I will chop up a half a cabbage, 1 parsnip, and I did 2 carrots, 2 small white potatoes, and I did 1 large sweet potato. So in here is 2 cloves of garlic, a half of onion, and then I will add a half of bell pepper. Into this mix, I added 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. We're going to mix that little bit up, and then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Then we're going to add in all the veggies I cut up. And to this mixture, we're going to add 1 carton of vegetable broth. Stir that up a little bit. We're going to cover, and the next time I open this pot, it's going to be done. So we're going to move over to the mixture that I used to do this with. I used 1 cup of vegan butter, 1 cup of self-rising flour, and 1 cup of almond milk. And I used 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, dry thyme. It's so delicious in batter. Just makes everything so good and warm. Told you, don't cook down. It's very delicious. Oh yes, I taste the veggies. Yes, I did. So here we're going to fill 6 tins, muffin tins, with the batter. We're going to go halfway, and then we'll take the filling and put that on top. And I did it this way because I like for the dough to swell up around it. And we're going to put it in the oven on 375 for like 20 minutes or until golden brown. And that's it. Let's get ready to taste these sweet peas.
Look, you guys, the mini curry veggie pot pies are ready. I'm super excited. They came out great. They look very pretty. But now for the taste test. So, yes, I'm getting one.
Sweet veggie. I think we should go ahead and set the table and enjoy the rest of these without him. Sorry. Have a glorious day.
She's like, how do you do this? It takes a long time. Sometimes I can get the first take, sometimes I won't. So, how you feel about doing all this today?
That's fine. I get to eat some food. So I'm good.
So I guess I'm gonna close out, guys. Thank you so much, so much for watching Vegan with Soul, and I hope to see you next time in my kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, guys. Bye. Bye-bye.
The small ones were so good. I made a big